Hey, here I'm going to tell you what engine the Mazda 6 has. So relax. We're going to clear everything up in this video. In the first generation, between 2002 and 2008, the Mazda 6 used gasoline engines like the 2.0, 2.3, and 3.0-liter V6, depending on the market. In addition to some 2.0 diesel engines in Europe, it was a time when Mazda offered variety to compete strongly in the mid-size sedan segment. And when the second generation arrived, from 2008 to 2012, the V6 disappeared in many markets, and they focused more on four-cylinder engines, like the 2.0 and 2.5-liter gasoline engines, along with 2.2 diesel options in Europe, aiming for greater efficiency and lower fuel consumption. Much later on, the third generation, from 2013 to 2021, consolidated almost everything into Skyactiv engines, mainly the 2.0 and 2.5-liter Skyactiv-G gasoline engines, as well as 2.5 turbo versions in some markets, and the 2.2 Skyactiv-D diesel with better fuel efficiency and more modern technology. And in the most recent generation, the fourth generation from 2022 to 2026, Mazda even reduced options in some countries, and in others stopped selling the Mazda 6 altogether. But where it is still available, it usually uses the 2.5-liter Skyactiv-G, and in some cases, the 2.5 turbo as the main engine,